Hello students, welcome to your social studies class. Myself Shilpi Srivastav, your social studies teacher. So today we are going to start with the second part of maps of chap. So let's begin the chapter. Till now you have understood the meaning of maps, the types of maps, the difference between maps and globe. Now we move further with the basic features of maps. There are some features which we study in maps so that the reading on map can be very easy for us. So let's go through these basic features. Number one, directions on maps. There are four major directions on a map, that is the north, south, west and east. These are the four main or major directions. These were termed as cardinal directions and denoted as capital N for north, E for east, S for south and W for west. These are very commonly used for the location, and if you want to say a country or a city lies towards the north of that country, you can easily correlate that it will be on the topmost place. Okay. Now the subdirections or the intercardinal directions. These subdirections lies between the center of the two cardinal directions. If you look at the northeast point, it is coming at the center of north and east. In the same way, southeast is coming in the center of south and east. Southwest is coming in the center of south and west. And northwest is coming in at the center of north and west. So these northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast are termed as intercardinal directions or the subdirections. Now let's move the second feature, scale on a map. Can you imagine the actual size of earth on a map? Can the actual size of map is shown on the map? No, it's not possible. And it is even not possible to show the actual distance between two places on a map. So, a scale is drawn which represent the actual distance on the ground in the maps. Okay? This scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground, that is towards the actual distance on the map. So, for example, the actual distance between two places is 100 km. So, on the map, it may be represented as 1 centimeter or any other small scale. So, it will be easy for us to locate the distance between the two places. Suppose it's written that 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometers. So, and the distance between the two places were 1 centimeter. So, we can easily correlate that on ground these two places are 100 kilometers apart. Got it? Now you can find the scale on the map usually on the bottom or at the corner of the map. If you see over here, this is the scale and it is at the bottom of this Mexico map. So when the scale, as it is very small, so I have enlarged it up and you are seeing that the scale is 1:14. Look over here. It's ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. Then 14 crores kilometers. Okay. So 1 point is equals to ethnic kilometers. So you can easily correlate that how much distance they are must be apart. Okay. Now we move towards the colors on map. As you are seeing that this is the map of India, and you are seeing that so many colors are there, and these colors represent these words. Like yellow represents hot and dry, red represent hot and humid. Now this yellow, yeah, or we can say it's a little bit lightish orange, is represent the composite climate between India, while blue represent extremely cold places and green represent the moderate places. So different colors are used to show different features or water bodies on the map. Suppose this is the climatical map. So this is showing the different colors are showing the different climate situation in India. Okay? Now sign and symbols. What are these sign and symbols? Sign and symbols on a map helps the reader to get the exact information about the different objects like hospitals, schools, railway stations, and their relative places in the region to understand where the map belongs to. The various signs and symbols on a map stands for various things. For example, the boundary of a country is shown by a line made up of dots or dashes. Similarly, a district is shown by a line made up of dashes. So, one must know about these signs to get the map correctly. Symbols are also shown to show the distribution of crops, minerals, dam, post office, hospitals, school, etc. So if you look around, these are the various symbols that we use in maps, and these symbols are same in every map. Otherwise, if they are not same, then it's very difficult for us to locate them. So these are the basic symbols that we use on a map. Now the assignment for today is name the cardinal and the ordinal directions. Ordinal directions are called the sub-directions or the intercardinal directions. Name the colors in which water bodies and mountains are shown on the map. Okay, I hope you can easily solve these two questions. So, I hope that you have easily understood the maps, its features, its type, its difference between globe, and I hope that now onwards you can easily locate your city or your state on a map. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet again soon. Till then, take care and stay at home. Bye bye.